So this is my Remington typewriter. It's got an issue with the locking mechanism, but I'm noticing is that I don't know if you can see a little tab down there or not. Okay, see that metal tab right there? That metal tab, when it's bent down like that, it's actually hitting that little nut, causing it not to lock into place, which I'm not sure if that's the issue or something like that, or it's something else, but yeah, it's kind of the main reason why I didn't want to lock, because that metal tab is hitting that nut. I don't know what the deal is with that, but it's kind of not in the best. I don't know what the deal is with that, but it did lock before. I don't know why, but it did used to lock. And it's supposed to have unlocked it, but it's, I don't know what the deal is with that. It's kind of annoying. I don't know, it's getting on my nerves. I'm not sure why that presses down, but maybe that has something to do with that. But yeah, that little tab is hitting that nut. That's preventing it from locking, I guess. But I don't know, I'm kind of confused. They said like it's kind of hard to see. See what I mean? That tab is hitting that nut, which doesn't make any sense. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. I'm wondering if that's the cause. I really don't know. It's kind of getting my nerves. But it doesn't make any sense. See what I mean? That's definitely hitting that. It doesn't make any sense. Anyways, let me know what you think.